This is what you see in front of you. It's another fan. It's a Galaxy. It's 2054. It's the push button model. And funny thing about this, I thought they came out in 1986, 1987. But apparently with the design still being a little rounded from the back that they used in like 1980, this one came out around 1985. Let me turn it back to the right side up. Yeah, 1985. So, and I had reasonable suspicion that it was just a regional thing, because they weren't available everywhere. Or if they were, it was probably at high-end department stores like Kohl's or something. I was using that as an example. So yeah, I got this off the FleaBay, a little bit much, and for the price of shipping, I probably could have went out and got it because it was actually in the state. So yeah, but either way, I paid for it. It came within a day, and I'm just now getting to it because, you know, work and lack of ambition. I keep saying that, but it's true. But let me at least give some information. Information, please. Type 9 style BLCP, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 0.80 amps. So yeah, since there's no model number or such, we all know it's a 2154. So, and yeah, don't ask what happened to my other 2154s. I'm not going to say, but you know. So I guess we're ready. We're going to plug up. We're going to give it a go. Alright, we're plugged up. So we're going to now try this. So if it doesn't work, well then, it's another fail. Live on camera. Turn the oscillation off, and here we go with high. Getting a little oil, but not anything too major. At least it's clunking and not screaming. Of course, in defense, these C-frame motors were not the best. That's just my opinion. And of course, here we go with the power. We have 49 watts running at 0.81 amps, so it's running just a minorly tad high. But of course, also, I think this is the first time it's ran in like a few months, give or take. Low. Other than motor clunking, it's quiet. Well, we're running half an amp at 32 watts. Check the oscillation. Ooh, this is definitely going to need some help. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I figured I'd let it move over to the side, and it's creeping over, and unless it's one of those C-frame motors that have to warm up after 20 minutes. Who knows? High with oscillation. Which we're currently running higher than it was on non-oscillated. Well, 81, 82, so Unless this is one of those that has the head wire broken, because I had a Tectung that did that. I don't know. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to re-grease this thing. Okay, now it's dropping, so yeah. And it's been down time now. Yeah. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of this 1985 Galaxy 254 with the push buttons. Unfortunately, it's going to need a little work, but nothing I can't fix. Says the guy wearing the rocket shirt. So yeah. So I'm actually looking for the gray one, because I know they need a gray one for the push buttons. So that'll come in due time. So until next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Combat's open.
One hour later.
Yeah, it's been a little over an hour, and it's chattering like hell. So yeah. Let me cut the oscillation off, see if it speeds up. It's going to need help.